ceilings all finished, spray and rolled. No matter how good that you cover things up, we're always going to get some overspray. See that there? Don't know how it got there. I have no idea. It must have just come in through the side there. But you never know. So I just use a little 211 tip to go around to do the corners. So I do one swipe at the bottom, one swipe at the top, and a quick one in the middle. This has already been done. And just up here. Now all the door frames and doors are finished, so I've just put some paper there just to stop any of that overspray coming down. Feature walls that were over there need another coat. So this is the gloss, a couple of little patches there to fix. This is the gloss, now that's the Sterigard. It's okay, you know, nothing too flash about it. A couple of runs there, just need fixing. Still got the window frames to do yet. And also I did the carport as well. Doors have been roller finished, 2 coats of Sterigard. Not too bad. Really needed new hinges, but carport's been done as well. So that's just how I get that ready to spray. And I just use my 211 tip to get up in there. As you can see, there's not a big tip. You'll see there's no overspray on the floor at all because I only used a little tip around the corners and around anything that needed cutting in basically. Then I just used the big 517 totally worn out one and up close just basically laid the paint on. Then I rolled it all with this roller here, which I'll show you. I've just finished washing it up. Now, I always try and use lamb's wool on ceilings because if there's too much paint up there, they won't slide. So that's what I do the ceilings with. It's a good roller sleeve. It's probably about a 18 mil, I suppose, something like that. But they're really nice to wash out as well, the lamb's wool ones. The Taubman's Pure Performance Ceiling Flat Lexicon Quarter, and that's what I do my ceilings with. So just for this ceiling here and the carport I've used a bit over half a drum, so it's quite a lot of paint up there. And there were patches that I actually patched on the ceiling as well, but I actually gave them a hit with the spray gun. You'll see them a little bit different through there. I gave them a hit with the spray gun first. As I was doing this. It looks like there's a section there that I've missed. Look. Or did I? Yes. So you just never know. So there you go, there's a little section that I missed on the corner. That'll just have to be done with a brush. That's good. Okay, thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you on the next video. Bye.